this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and look what I have. You know what this teal envelope means. This means that my favorite diamond painting tray distributor got another purchase out of me. I swear, now I'm addicted. If anybody got one of these minis in the December green, because I had family in town, I was going to buy the mini December 31st, and then I was going to buy January's on January 1st. Completely slipped my mind because it was New Year's Eve, got caught up in the festivities. I'm drooling over the December green. So if anybody bought more than they bargained for, let me know. I would love to purchase one from you. But anyway, that's just my little shout out. So this, when January 1st came around and she pulled out that it was this certain color, I had to have it. I also am in love, since I've been using them like crazy. I love the lids. So this is the mini. It fits great in your hand. Usually I drill with it laying on the table like this and shake it, or sometimes I'll pick it up. So this works great, or you can hold it however you like to hold it. Then this lid comes separate. This is $8, and then the lid is $5. Sometimes she has sales, but it's totally worth it. And then the lid goes on, and it can cover the hole. And then, hopefully I don't knock everything over. I just like pushed my whip out of the way. Then you have these lids, and you can stack them. OMG, look at that. How amazing is that? Now, I have a white one as well. I'm like throwing drills all over myself. And then, ooh, excuse my reach, you also saw the green one. So, next time my crafting budget comes around, which is once a month, I will probably, if I really like the February, I'm not a huge pink fan, so if she comes out with pink, I might not buy the February, but I might buy 2 lids to cover these. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? And look, I can you hear that? There's drills in there, right? And then I lift it from this side, and look, there's drills. So, and then you can pull it completely off. But I'm not going to. So yeah, there you go. Amazing. Look, you can stack. You can play cards with them. You can drop them, turn them over, all that fun stuff. So, I wouldn't get too testy with them. But yeah, look, so January's color is something navy. I don't know the exact color, but I will put the link down below in the description. She just sells through Facebook. The easiest way that I do is I go to her Facebook page, then I go to the announcements, and there's a link. I go to the link, and then you click on the shopping cart items. Sometimes it can be a little bit confusing, but hang in there. Figure it out, because you will be absolutely in love with these trays. She does sell larger ones, and I need to splurge and spoil myself, right? That's the theme of some of my videos. I think it's just a adaptive way to say I'm a spendaholic. But I need to get lids for these too. So I'm spilling drills everywhere. But these, I have these 2, and my daughter has a white one that she has stolen from me, but I have to get lids for these. But these were also, she had a red month, she had a copper month. Love the copper. Wish I got a mini in that. So yeah, so I have 4 that don't have lids, and I have, oh, that was not smart. You just saw me be silly on camera. So I have 4 that don't have lids and 4 that do, and hopefully with time we will remedy that. So until next time, take care. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, there's a button down below. There's an app for that too. So, oh, and before you leave, look at how cute my dog is. Ooh. Yeah, good thing she's so cute, because she gets herself in a lot of trouble. But yeah, my husband got me for Christmas a photo printer. And so I was printing out family photos. So, yeah, I got a little doggy. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Cold medicine's kicking in. I'm going a little loopy, so it's time to say goodbye. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.